First, start by sending a hi message to our WhatsApp number, 895-175-1784. This will initiate the process. After you send the initial message, you'll be prompted to select the language you prefer for the rest of the process. The system will then respond with an overview of the various types of information and insights you'll receive once your farm is successfully connected to our satellite monitoring system. Next, you'll need to map the boundaries of your farm. You can do this easily by following the link we provide. This step is crucial because it allows the system to accurately monitor the specific area of your farm. While mapping, don't forget to also register the crop or plantation that's currently on your farm. This information helps in providing tailored insights based on the specific type of crop you are growing. Once you've mapped your farm and registered your crop, the next step is to decide how long you want to monitor your farm. You'll be asked to enter the number of months you wish to continue the monitoring service. This flexibility allows you to choose a monitoring period that best suits your farming needs and cycles. After specifying the monitoring duration, you'll be asked to give your farm a name. This is a helpful step to ensure you can easily identify and remember your farm in the system, especially if you have multiple farms or areas you are monitoring. Finally, you'll need to make a payment to complete the process. Use the link provided to make a secure payment. Once the payment is processed, your farm will be successfully connected to the Farmonaut system for satellite monitoring. Within just a few minutes after completing these steps, you will receive the first satellite report for your farm. This report will provide valuable insights and data about your farm, helping you make informed decisions to enhance your farming practices.